So this video is to honor those out there who might be looking to kickstart their running and begin to run. So here's the secret sauce. Be a pioneer and explorer of your own running. Don't get caught up in comparisons or placing a label on your running. That just leads to external rewards and unhappiness. So get out there and explore what running can do for you. Running will never disappoint. It will always reward you. It's our superpower. So to embrace our superpower when first starting to run, we need to keep running as easy as possible. This may surprise you, but this is really the secret sauce. So in an effort to keep it as easy as possible, the trick is that we want to avoid viewing running as a form of fitness or a way to lose weight. We want to make it as joyful as possible right out of the gate, so it is fun for you, so it is easy and enjoyable. If you're dreading running, you're making it too hard. We want to make it as easy as possible. And this could mean going out, running as easy as possible for as long as possible, and then walking, and then starting running again. So all the running you're doing is easy with walking breaks in between. Could be 1 minute easy running, 1 minute walking. The point is, only do the running that is fun and easy for you. Try nose breathing. Run for as long as you can while you're nose breathing. When you can no longer nose breathe, stop and walk. Get a little recovery, and then start nose breathing running again. Through time, your easy running will become longer and longer and longer, and your walking will become less and less and less. Learning something new and working on it daily like it's your craft can be really exciting and exhilarating. So see running as your craft and learn technique and form. As a new runner, you're coming into it with a clean slate, so it's going to be much easier for you to learn proper form and technique while you're building your running. And so this brings us to number 4, which is really, really important. It's frequency. I would rather you do less more often. Frequency is the holy grail for any type of athletic skill, and running is a skill. So it's going to be much better to do less more often. I'd much rather see you go out for 5 or 6 times a week for 5 or 10 minutes at a time, rather than 3 or 4 days a week for 30 or 40 minutes at a time. This doing less more often, this frequency, your body loves frequency, and this will reward you. So think less more often. At Ragnar Race, Zero Shoes sponsored a little contest. You had to put a tennis ball behind your knee and keep that leg bent while you balanced on the other foot. And the idea being was to demonstrate how important the foundation of our strength as runners begins with our feet. How important foot strength is really dictates how strong we are as runners, and is ultimately the foundation that really breeds performance and run health. So number 5, train your feet, train the foundation. This will really set the course for how you use your body, how you fire your muscles as you begin to run more and more. And then find a goal. As you get into running more, this frequency and getting more confidence and keeping things easy, pick a goal like Ragnar. Maybe get a bunch of your friends together and go to a Ragnar race where it's a relay race where you're running no more than 4 miles at a time. It's great fun. It's a great way to have something that is on your mind every time your feet touch the floor getting out of bed. All right, I hope that helps. For you veteran runners out there, pass this video along. Let's help get more runners out there in this world. Over and out from Jackson Hole and Born to Run World. See you guys next time.